Whiteboards now have an outline pane to help you find your way around faster. It shows a structured list of what's on your whiteboard, so you can see where you are, understand what you're looking at, and jump straight to the part you need. To toggle the outline, click the Outline button at the bottom of the canvas. Acture Cloud is now more usable on iPads and other tablets, including a tablet-optimized toolbar and navigation improvements to make working on tablets smoother and more intuitive. Documents now support subtitles, giving you a lightweight way to add context. Subtitles are searchable, can be used in templates, and will appear in the template picker. Whiteboards also have a new way to switch views. Use the toggle in the top bar to switch between Document Only, Canvas and Document, or Canvas Only.